Welcome. In this video I will show you how to control camera on iPhone using Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, you have to enable camera on your iPhone that is linked with your Apple Watch, and then press the digital crown on your Apple Watch to open the list of all applications and find camera remote application on the list and tap on it to open. And right now you can see the image from the camera of your iPhone. You can zoom in and out using your digital crown. You can take a photo with a 3-second timer by tapping right here and waiting for 3 seconds, and the photo will be captured. You can view the last taken photo by clicking on it. And you can also change the camera settings by tapping the 3-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can disable the timer by switching this toggle. You can switch the camera. You can toggle flash and toggle the live photo and toggle HDR right here. And to apply settings, tap done in the top right corner of the screen. And then you're gonna return to the camera. And if you exit this application, camera on your iPhone will also turn off. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.